Okay guys, so I want to show you my new RC truck.
Did you buy another RC truck?
No.
What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the RC Propaganda YouTube channel.
In today's video, we're going to unbox our new monster truck.
Well, alright guys, I got bit by the monster truck bug, and what better way to get into RC monster trucks than with this new Losi Lmt. It's an all-new truck, and it should be very exciting. So let's tip this box over and get this thing opened up so we can check it out. Alright, so first up, the box is pretty giant. You know, it's got your typical box stuff. I'm not really into boxes that much, but this is more what I like to do.
Our cat is into boxes.
Yes, our cat will enjoy that. Alright, gotta be careful here. Alright, let's see what else we got. I'll pull this up.
Oh, nope.
Okay, the wheels are in there. You gotta pull that up first. Okay, put that aside. Oh, here's the truck itself.
Okay, I got this side.
Carefully, you gotta pull it from the bottom of the Yanta.
Got it?
Yeah, there you go. Okay, very scientific unboxing here. This is what everybody wants to see. That's trash. Take that. Let me get rid of this big box. Is it heavy?
Yeah. Curls with it.
Nice. Yeah. Check out my monster truck. Okay. Wow. So here it is. That's what she looks like when you get it out of the box. So hold on. Whoa, you see that? She's getting excited. She wants to do the best part already. Yeah. We're not at the best part yet. All right, let's put this here. Let's see everything it comes with. That's the truck. What else do we got? Open that up. Okay, we got all the fun stuff that everybody really likes. The manual and tools. See you later. Bubble wrap. Save that. I don't trust you with the boxes.
Yeah.
The way
Go ahead.
she throws. See you later. All right. So this is the radio right here. This is not too bad. This is the DX3. I think this is like their newest offering that they've been including after the STX. I believe it was a 200 fiasco. It's got a nice foam wheel. And it's got some smart technology in it if you're running smart batteries in this. We'll touch on that in a little bit, but it actually feels really nice in the hand. I like it. Much improved from the last Horizon product I got. What do you think of it?
I just want to drive it already.
Oh, whoa, you're getting ahead of yourself. Wow, look at that. They do include 4 AA batteries for the remote. That's interesting. Here's your bigger battery strip. Talking like you now. What do you got in there? Okay. These look like some sort of body posts that they give you extra. Oh, yeah, and then these are for your toe. I believe you can have 0 degrees or some toe in for faster speeds, for racing, what have you. So they give you those. So that is nice. So not a whole lot of offerings in there, which, I mean, you don't really need much. It doesn't look like they include any tools, huh? Nope. I'm not seeing any tools. Do you see any tools?
Nope.
That was everything.
That's it?
Yeah, that's interesting. No toolkits. All right, well, that's pretty interesting. They don't include a toolkit or anything. But, yeah.
Okay, so now to everybody's favorite part. Satisfying.
All right, there you have it. The plastic is off. I know everybody enjoys that part. It is very satisfying. Me being the nice RC husband that I am, I let Mrs. Propaganda have all the glory of pulling it off. I do like with the remote, you can go 50, 75, 100 plus 2 and 3S. So Mrs. Propaganda will be doing some monster truck bashing. And if maybe we have enough fun and she likes it enough, maybe we'll pick up the roller chassis and I can build that one and she can use this one. But we'll see. I'm not sure how we're going to like the monster trucks. But from this first look, it looks really nice. But let's go through it and just show you a couple of things now that it's out of the box and it's coming alive on my table. All right, so here is a shot from underneath. That's what it looks like. There, those are the tires, looking nice with the green wheels. So this body is attached to a cage that will flip up. So let's find out where those body pins are. Oh, okay, I see them. Okay, that is the little body pin underneath. Comes with that little rubber tab. I do like that. They're very small pins. So you got 2 of those, and then 2 in the very front, right up in here. And then it flips open. Ta-da! Wow. That is it. This is what she looks like right there. Very nice. So you got that vertical twin plate. Feels really stiff. I'm assuming people are going to try to make them even stiffer. Wow, that suspension works really nicely. Wow, everything's all flexing with it. It's kind of hard to see it in there, but it does run the motor sideways in the car, so it's sitting like this, just like the ESC. That is the new Spectrum stuff. From photos, I thought maybe it was rebranded from Hobbywing. It's hard to tell. It does look like Hobbywing, but also it does look like maybe something different. So this is like their smart technology. If you run their batteries, you have this extra wire right here to tell you, you know, all the stuff on the remote, the battery level. I don't really care about that. I'm cutting this off and putting my XT90s on there anyway, and I'll just tape that off to the side or whatever. I don't really care. I'm going to hit low voltage, and guess what? That's when my battery's dead. On to the next one. The steering servo is the S614S. Looks like it's metal bodied. It's got a nice servo saver. So yeah, wow, the sway bars. Whew. What do you think? How's it feel to you?
Feels great.
What do you think about monster trucks?
I don't know. I have to drive it to see. Love my crawler, so it's worth a try.
Right. You know, I kind of wanted to keep the channel crawling, but this thing is too cool to not to share. It is still scale a little bit. I'm hoping I can get the helmet off the driver and maybe put a figurehead on there. I got plenty of extras, so that is something I'll be looking to do.
I didn't even notice he has a driver until now.
Yeah. Well, Dennis Anderson, he's in there. So what else do I want to show and talk to you guys about? I mean, it's supposed to be a badass monster truck. It is very well built. It's got 8th scale diffs in it, you know, and I guess it's just a killer monster truck. I will be testing and driving it and bashing it. We'll put it through its paces when we'll bring all those videos to you. I'll drive it. She'll drive it. And, yeah, that'll be it. But I guess that kind of covers it for the unboxing and maybe a short overview. I don't really know what else to say. Alright guys, so just to give you a size comparison right here, this is my Proline Pro MT 4x4 that I run on 4S. It is currently the only bash rig that I have left. I sold the Creightons, the Outcasts, they're all gone. So this is the only one I got left. And that is 10th scale. That's what it looks like. So if you want to see there, just to, yeah, hold that up, just to kind of get a size comparison. Okay, and just for another size comparison. Alright, so here is another rig to show you for a scale. This is a Red Cat Gen 8. So you can see this is a big body. It's a pretty big truck next to it. So that looks pretty scale, you know, because this is a big lifted off-road rig, and the monster truck is bigger than it. Could easily run it over. I think they look pretty good. Let's see them side by side. So that looks pretty cool right there. Wow.
Should we try it? Run the red cat
yeah,
over?
let's run it over. Well, all right, guys, that is going to wrap it up for unboxing on this Losi Lmt. Super excited to have it. Cannot wait to get out on the dirt. And we will bring those videos to you as soon as possible.
And thank you for watching this video. Go watch our other videos. Leave a comment, a like, subscribe to the channel, and follow us on Instagram too. And we catch you on the next one.